Most typical uses of the verb get. Get plus a noun to receive something. We receive lots of emails every day. We get lots of emails every day. To obtain. He obtained his driving license last month. He got his driving license last month. To buy. I'll go to the supermarket and buy some milk. I'll go to the supermarket and get some milk. To bring. Can you bring me a glass of water, please? Can you get me a glass of water, please? Or it could also mean to take. We usually take the bus to school. We usually get the bus to school. You can also use a get plus an adjective, and it means to become or to start to be. It is getting dark. It is becoming dark. It's starting to be dark. He is getting angry. He is becoming or starting to be angry. Or they are getting married. Get plus a place. In this case, it means to arrive. We got home at 10 o'clock last night. I arrive at work at 7 o'clock in the morning. I get to work at 7 o'clock in the morning.